This is the second part of the video as far as this if clause is concerned. In the previous video, we have seen the first two types of if clause, conditional clauses, that is type 1 and type 2, with plenty of examples were given. Today, we will see the type 3 of the if clause or conditional clause. The type 3 conditional clause talks about the unreal past. Let us see now. See, what is that unreal past? If A had happened, if something had happened, something else would have happened, that is B would have happened. If A had happened, A means an action, B also is an action. So, if A had happened, B would have happened, but they did not happen, they did not occur. That is the meaning of the unreal past. If that had happened, something would have happened, that is the meaning. Then, to talk about the past situations that did not happen, we use a past perfect in the if clause and would have plus past participle in the other part of the sentence. We will see that, do not worry much about it. We use in the first part of the sentence, we use a past perfect with if. Then in the second part of the sentence, we use would have plus past participle. This is the structure of this unreal past clause. See here, the two columns I have made. In one, if plus past perfect followed by would have plus past participle. I will tell what it is. If past perfect, then would have past participle, that is the meaning. So, if you had worked harder, you would have passed your exam, but he did not pass the exam, he did not work hard, he did not pass. Hypothetical condition, past, unreal past. So, sometime it happens, no, we repent on for doing something, that if I had done that, it would have happened like this. If I had been there, I would not have lost the job. If I had been in time, the teacher would not have scolded me. If I had paid my fee, my name would not have been stuck, like that. So, if you had worked harder, you would have passed your exam. Next, if plus past perfect. If you had asked me, I would have told you. Would have plus past participle. This is past participle. These are all past participles. Go and gone, help, helped, helped, say, said, said, meet, met, met, catch, caught, caught. These are all past participles that comes with would have. Next, if he had run bit faster, he did not run bit faster. If he had run bit faster, what would have happened? He could have won the race. If he had run bit faster, he could have won the race. If the weather had been better, we would have gone to the sea, but we did not go to the sea. If the weather had been better, we would have gone to the sea. Unreal past. If you had asked me, I would have helped you. He did not ask me. So, I am telling him, oh, he went to several places and came back, nobody helped him. Then finally, he comes to me and I say then, oh, if you had asked me, I would have helped you, but you did not ask me. If Martin had seen you, what you would have said? What you would have said him? If Martin had seen you, what you would have said? If she hadn't gone skiing, she wouldn't have met with an accident. She fell down and broke her leg. So, if she hadn't gone to skiing, she wouldn't have broken her legs. That means, she went and she met with an accident. If I had got up early, I would have caught the 8:15 train, but he slept. The 8:15 train is gone. So, he says repenting, if I had got up early, I wouldn't have missed the 8:15 train, or I would have caught the 8:15 train, like that. So, this is unreal past clauses in which in the first part of the sentence if plus past perfect come, in the second part of the sentence would have plus past participle should be used. We have to learn it, because in life in many times we use this type of statements. Many times we use this type of statements. Why did you miss your, so the fellow failed in the interview. Then what he says, oh, if I had prepared very well, I would have got this job. If I had money, I would have purchased the house. It happens, no. If I had traveled by the first flight, I wouldn't have missed the meeting. So, all these things happen. Something goes wrong with us, and then we realize that if this had happened, that would have been averted, like that. Now, let us see some more examples. See here. If you had sent an invitation, I would have attended the marriage party. If you had sent me an invitation, I would have attended the marriage party. Meaning that he did not send you an invitation, you did not attend the marriage party. If he had got an ambulance, he could have been saved. He died because he couldn't be saved because he did not get the ambulance in time. So, we say during COVID situation, many people say like that, no, if the doctor had come in time, the patient would have saved. If the oxygen had not been down, this fellow would have survived, like that. The police had arrived in time. If the police had arrived in time, the violence would have been averted. If the police had arrived in time, the violence would have been averted. If I had known about the weather, I would have brought an umbrella. He was not sure of the weather, he went out without umbrella and heavy rain started. So, he says, oh, if I had known about the weather, I would have brought an umbrella. If I had a headache, I would have taken an aspirin. What would you have done if you had been sick yesterday? What would you have done if you had been sick yesterday? If I had been sick yesterday, I would have gone to the doctor. What would you have done if someone had stolen your car yesterday? If someone had stolen my car yesterday, I would have complained in the police station. What would you have done if you had been Dhoni? What would you have done if you had been Mahendra Singh Dhoni? If I had been Mahendra Singh Dhoni, I would have hit a sixer in the last ball and won the match, but he missed it. If we had received some money, we would have gone to Chennai. If he had heard of your marriage, he would have been surprised. If you had tried, you could have done it. If he had taken his doctor's advice, he might not have died. If he had worn a helmet, he wouldn't have lost his life. If he had worn a helmet, he wouldn't have lost his life. We say, no, the fellow did not wear the helmet and he went and met with an accident, he died. So, people will say, oh, was he wearing a helmet? No. Oh, had he worn a helmet, he would have been saved. If you had obeyed the orders, the disaster wouldn't have happened. If people have obeyed the orders of the government, the disaster wouldn't have happened. If all the people had worn masks, the second wave wouldn't have been so severe, like that. So, this type of sentences will be definitely used in our day to day life, so that we should master this structure. The structure consists of if plus past perfect on the first part of the sentence and would have plus past participle on the second part of the sentence. See these examples also and listen to the examples that have been read for you and master this structure. Thank you.